How to connect YouTube to Claude AI. If you want to connect your YouTube account to Claude AI, this video will show you how to set it up using Windsor.ai. First, open your browser and search for Windsor.ai. Open the official Windsor.ai website and click Start for Free. Sign into your account, then use the search bar on the left side and search for YouTube. Select YouTube and click Sign in with Google. Choose the Google account you want to connect and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Now, go to Claude. Once you're signed in, select Connectors. Then click Button to add it as a connector. If you're asked for permission, click Allow Access and review the available tool permissions. Select the permissions you want Claude to use, then complete the setup. Now return to the main Claude page and type Windsor in the prompt box. You should now see your connected YouTube account, confirming that the integration is working. That's how you can connect YouTube to Claude AI using Windsor.ai. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials.